So we are entering July, and one of the challenges that we are having this year is that sometimes we have heat waves. The best thing to do for Yacon is to mulch it. You can see here that I just emptied a lot of leaves that I collected this past fall, and I put them around the plants, and they were already growing in a very thick layer of mulch, and I just added everything else that I have left. The leaves, they protect the yacon by keeping the soil temperature stable, and they also provide consistent moisture. So even though we have heat waves, the plants are able to draw moisture from the deep soil, and the leaves protect the soil from overheating, so the plants continue to grow even without watering. Because one of the challenges with yacon and other plants in the middle of a heat wave is that if you start watering the plants right when it's really hot, the plants are gonna die. They're likely to cook and they rot because the hot water damages the roots. But because the soil doesn't get so hot because of the layer of leaves that it has, then even though there is moisture, it doesn't turn into a situation where the roots are being damaged by hot moisture. Instead, it's just cool moisture down below, and even if the plants wilt a little bit under the sun, in the evening they'll come back. And I water these beds probably once a month, so I try to be very careful with how much I water my plants, especially now that we're entering the high months of summer when the temperatures can start getting up in the 90s. So that's what I do, heavy mulching for yacon.
Che mamari nina. Tura la ba. Kopana. Lana. Tula ba.